Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know, it's my privilege to be able to do what I do for a living. We are about to get into my favorites 7. That's right, it's going to be another smorgasbord of really cool images. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to be one of the cool kids at the back of the bus, then you better hang on. This is for the cool kids. Thanks guys. My name is Jeff Mohr. I'm the Northwoods Carver, and thanks for seeing what I saw. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this episode, it is going to be
Volume 7
of my favorite carvers, my favorite chainsaw carvers. And I have the hat, and I have a bunch of names still, tons and tons of names. So without further ado, let's get our first one. Here's our second one. 2. It's so random. I can't express how random this is. Because if I miss one, it's so hard to pick them up inside the hat there. There's 3. As you can see, there's still oodles. Oh. Some are trying to get out, but you can't because I've got you. I've got you. All right.
That one really wants out.
Yes. I don't blame him. Get in there. All right. Okay. All right. So before I go into this, I want to discuss one of the issues that I have with doing things the way I'm doing, and there's really no other way to do it. I have to go to people's, the carvers that are on this list, social media. And not all social media people, I should say not all carvers are the same from a social media standpoint. Like their images, some are very professional and some are just really relics, back from when we didn't have very good cameras, and they're all on there. Sometimes they're photographs of photographs. It is what it is. I have to deal with it. So just know that when sometimes, not necessarily on this one because I don't know who I'm going to pick, but there's some carvers that have wonderful full color professional images, and it's going to make for a better video. And then other carvers just, as good as they might be, they just don't have the good images. So that's one of the big battles that I face. So I hope you understand that when you start watching these videos. Other than that, I do take a lot of time on these videos. It usually takes a day and a half, sometimes, to do these. So that's a day and a half out of my life to create these videos. And so if you could do me a solid, don't forget to like and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you can see when the next one's coming down the old picaroni. And don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Okay, that being said, let's see who we got here. First one. Oli Shultz. Yay, Oli. Second one. Brian Ruth. Right on, Brian. You're welcome. Whatever that was. The Enigma. Ben Risney. I told you folks, this is going to be a good lineup. I mean, we've got so many great carvers lined up. There's so many great ones that I see on Facebook all the time. But these ones, the ones that I'm pulling, impacted me somehow along my career. So this is why I call them my favorite. So we have Ben Risney, Brian Ruth, and Oli Shultz. You never know who's going to be mixed with who. I just want to make this fair. This is not a competition. This is for carvers. This is for you guys. This is for them. This ain't for me. And hope you enjoy the show. Stick around and see what they saw right after this.